Right, well, welcome to Enchantment.
Sir? Wonderful, wonderful. How can I assist you today?
Alright, so we're trying another hike. We're in Sedona, Arizona.
At the Enchantment Resort.
At the Enchantment Resort. And we've checked into our room, which is amazing, by the way, with the fireplace and everything. What's it called?
Casita?
It's a casita. And now we are heading over to do a moderate hike up to, what does she call it?
Ooh.
The old lady or some lady overwatching something? I don't know. Conchita Overlook.
Conchino lady.
Overlook. So we're gonna try to do that. It's a little short hike. Here's our rental car. VW all day, every day. And now we're gonna head down. That little top rock up there.
Can you see?
Yeah, I can see it. It's way over there though. Right where my finger is. That's where we're hiking to. So hopefully we can do that hike and be back for our massage at 6. So we'll see. Check in just a minute when we get to the trailhead. Your room key will open the gate upon your return. Enjoy.
Like it says, stay on the trail. It's alive. We might get tased if we get off the trail.
I know, right? Oh, you remember that?
Yeah.
We're doing the Vista. We're going this way. Up there. It's a nice trail. Very laid out. Very clear where the trail is. No surprises. Lots of footprints. So you know. Oh, what are these? Are these droppings? What did this shit? Whoa, what is that?
Horse shit. Why are you zooming in on that? That's like fresh too.
Yeah, it's fresh. Oh, so there's wildlife on the trail. My wife was asking me about protection, which usually we travel with it, but it's an inconvenience sometimes, so none today. Here we go. This is my exercise for today. Turning on my hiking. Outdoor hike. There we go. Another marker. That's a marker. Look back on the valley. Hotel over there, or the resort. Very out of shape. It's okay. We're taking a break, getting some water. We're about, what, 10 minutes in? Making good progress.
Are you making fun of me?
No, I'm...
For taking a water break first 10 minutes?
No. Why would, no. Why would I do that?
Why do you have to point that out?
I'm not pointing anything out. I'm just giving an update of what we're doing. And this is where we're going. The hotel, they said that this was the easiest route. Oh my God. It is beautiful. But I don't know about easy. However, I did have at least one old-fashioned before this hike, and I can feel it. Should have probably gone with a Bud Light, but oh well. End of trail. And there's the resort. Right down there.
Enchantment Resort sits on 70 acres in the heart of Sedona. Enchantment Resort used to be a tennis ranch which opened in 1987. It offers 218 one-story casitas with private decks, fireplaces, and pool suites.
day number 2. It's not bright early. It's almost about noontime. I don't even know if we got the name of this trail. Maybe we'll see a sign up ahead. We are hiking in Sedona again. View up there, view over there. Hello. Hi there.